Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to open up an old laptop and show you how you can tell whether or not things can be upgraded inside it. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a Asus laptop. It is one of the original Ultrabooks. Imagine getting away with calling it an Ultrabook these days. Look at it, it's huge. But it's got DCN, HDMI, a couple of USB 2 ports, headphone and mic. Over here, got volume rocker, power, SD card, USB and a Kensington lock. Now this is a 6 gig machine with a 500 gig drive, 500 gig hard drive in it. If I roll over, see if you can see that, it is a TP300L. So first things first is we'll open up and see what we can actually upgrade. So we have screws here, here, here and here, 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 here and here, and here. It's one of the reasons I don't like working on a laptop. Too many screws. So this is just a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, I think that's all the screws. Yep, so hopefully I should be able to lift this up at one of the corners. So what's happened is I've got a little bit of a recessed lip here. That's making it very difficult. There we go. So once you've got a start on it, you can literally just use your spudger and work your way around. It should get easier as you go along. Try not to be too forceful, as there may be little plastic clips holding it in, and it may not go back together again. Now we have that off, we have the battery here. Here's the antennas for our Wi-Fi. That's probably the Wi-Fi card there. This looks like a hard drive, and presumably this is where our RAM is. Here's our processor under here with a heat pipe going over the graphic chip. Pretty self-explanatory. It's looking like I just need to lift that up to change the hard drive, and I'll need to find out how to get under the RAM here. So let's try and see how it's done. You don't want to use too much pressure when doing this, as it obviously could damage the laptop as a whole, or potentially just the RAM chips underneath. I actually think these just lift. Yeah, this just lifts at the corner. There we go. So, as expected, there's our RAM. So, I originally intended this video to actually upgrade this laptop and to split it into 3 separate sections. One showing you what's upgradable, one showing you upgrading the RAM, and one showing you upgrading the SSD. Unfortunately, I had so much problems getting that bottom half off that it annoyed me to the extent where I just continued and actually performed upgrades on this one occasion. Now, I didn't want this to turn into a 20+ minute video, so what I did is decided to split it at this point and to interject and show you in front of me. So This is still within my editor. So if I bring my mouse pointer over, you can see here's our hard drive. Now that's just a standard 2.5-inch hard drive under there, and that is a standard SATA connection just there. So this can be replaced with any standard SATA hard drive, or in the case of the upgrade coming up, an SSD. Over here, this is standard laptop RAM as well. There is only one slot that you can see. There is only one slot in this laptop because some of it is already soldered. They were doing Apple type upgrade monopolization before Apple were doing Apple type upgrade monopolization. So these can be replaced as well. And the point of this initial video was to show you that the RAM can be upgraded in this laptop, and that the hard drive or SSD can be upgraded in this laptop. In fact, you could even upgrade the Wi-Fi card that's sitting under here, but there's probably not much to gain in that. Adding an SSD, add more RAM, they might help you get another year, maybe another couple of years out of your laptop. So at this point you can just put the laptop back together again, and you can go to whatever your favourite store, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Scan, and order the parts required. And I've done a previous tutorial using the Crucial System Inspector, which will show you what can and can't be upgraded in your system and show you the compatible parts. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe you should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.